20. Double honour. Already this year, I have made several trips back and forth across the country, and I am still continually amazed at how indulgent church members are of ungodly and unbelieving pastors, and how heartless so often towards godly and able pastors. In one church, for example, a board member, an envious, incompetent man, blocked a raise for a pastor on the ground that the minister would then make more than he did. He actually believed this was a good argument. Yet this sanctimonious reprobate professed to believe the Bible from cover to cover. St. Paul says, "Let the elders that rule well be counted worthy of double honour, especially they who labour in the word and doctrine. For the Scripture saith, Thou shalt not muzzle the ox that treadeth out the corn, and the labourer is worthy of his reward." 1 Timothy 5:17 and 18. What this means is simply that it is a law of God that muzzling an ox is wrong. The worker deserves a fair return for his work. Those who labour faithfully and effectually in the ministry of the word of doctrine deserve double honour or pay. Not too many years ago, a church manse was furnished with discarded furniture from the homes of members, and the pastor's family was given hand-me-down clothes. People sanctimoniously felt virtuous being stingy towards God. Things have improved since then, but not much. Most people still give the leftovers of their lives to God and to the church, yet they wonder why the church declines and the country disintegrates. How would you like it if you were paid with leftovers? And how do you think God views the leftovers of your life? If you expect God to appreciate you, you're not only a sinner, but a fool. If we deny God, He denies us joy in all that we keep. Ye have sown much and bring in little. Ye eat, but ye have not enough. Ye drink, but ye are not filled with drink. Ye clothe you, but there is none warm. And he that earneth wages to put into a bag with holes. Haggai 1:6. If we do not honour God's faithful servants, it's because we do not first of all honour God.